Okay, today we talk about some formula and the area. So in math, there's many formula. So it's hard to remember, but you must do that. But some formula you must understand them, otherwise it's hard to remember. Even you remember them, you remember that, but you will forget at short time. So today we talk about the area. So okay, here is a rectangle such like the width is 2, length is 3. So why we need what is the area? For example, at this place we want to pay some brick. We want to know this place how many brick we need. So we should get a, get get the value how many area about this. So area is like that. For example, this is 3, that brick, and this line, this 3 brick, and this direction, vertical direction, is 2 bricks. Okay, totally how many bricks? So we can do that. We can count them. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, totally is 6. We call 6 is area, or we can call anything with this one. We call the area, or we can call dog. Anyway, it's definition. Just we know this place. We need put 6 bricks, 6. But we give this 6 one number, one things. We call it his name. It's area. It's definition. Just all the people call it area long time after long time. So it's called area. You can call it dog or cat or banana. Anything is okay. Just this only one name. The the meaning is bricks. We need to put a lot of bricks. How many bricks? 6. This we want to know this bricks number. We can count. We can use addition. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, then plus 1 plus 1. Okay, totally 6. But this we need a long time. So also we can use so many breaks. We if we calculate them with addition, it will need a long time. We know that multiplication. Multiplication is one special form for addition. So you know here, this one line is 3 brick, 3. Okay, this 3. And how many this line? 2. 1, 2. Okay. Totally one line, 2 line. That means one line is 3. 2 line we can write 3 plus 3 is 6. This we can also write 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 2 is fast than do addition. So we check this picture. So here this line is 3, and this horizontal line is 3, vertical line is 2. So we can calculate the breaks. Totally 3 times 2 equals 6. This 6 only number, but we don't have a unit. We can write this length unit for 2 mile, 2 meter, 2 centimeter, and length, but the same unit with the width. So they can call 3 mile, 3 meter, or something. So this is the area. So we find the formula For example, these lines, this called this A, this B. We know we write area, we can write S. Also, we can just write A is the abbreviation of area equal A times B. So we get the number, this area is A times B. Okay, this rectangle, how about the square? So this A, this B. Square is also is a one kind of rectangle, just different for that. So their length is equal with the width. Is width. So it's equal. Just A mean A equal B. But you can call it a rectangle, but also you can call it a square. Square is one part of a rectangle. So their area formula A also equal A times B. Because A equal B, so we can write A squared. So this formula for area for square. So you know that this is easy to remember. So how about this? Uh, Parallelogram. So this one formula, this figure is not very correct. So here it's same with the rectangle. Why? You can cut. Okay, you can cut this piece. Okay, move to here. This part is this two part is the same. So this is because here parallelogram. So this side is same with this side, and this part is same with this one. So this part also same with this part. So that means if we want to get because this picture graph, a picture have become to rectangle. So this is the B. This is height. Height is B. So it called the just do that A B. We also write to A to high. A is base. High just here, this area. So their area is AH. So you know this formula is easy to remember. And how about this? This triangle. Triangle formula also we know that is 1 over 2 AH. Why? You can remember this formula, but first you should understand why they created this. So you can remember, easy to remember a long time, you cannot forget. Otherwise, you don't remember. If you don't know where this formula come from, you will forget at a short time. So here, this is the triangle. So we can make one line parallel with this part. Parallel. Then another line parallel with this side. Okay, this side parallel with this line, and this line parallel with this. Okay, they have become to parallelogram. So we know this easier formula is just the base is A and height is B. we can call the height, okay, h. So this formula a, if they are okay, right, a, b, c, d. This parallelogram area is a times h, but we just write that this original picture just is a triangle. It's only half of a parallelogram. So we should time 1 over 2. It's only half. So also usually the number we cannot write at the end. We can write that formula for at the first, at front. So 1 over 2 a times h. So this formula, is very easier. All they come from rectangle. So how about this one? This ladder shape. This called A. This called B. This H. This up base. This down base. Okay. How to calculate this area? So we can make extend this line. Extend this line. Okay, make parallel this extend this line from A and extend the line from B. So make find from this point, make one distance same with A. Then from this point, make another line parallel with this, with here, parallel. So we can find, so this part is same, so this should be same with B. Because what? Because this line A, B, C, D. AB, this line AB equal CD. So here is A, this must be B. So their area you can find here is a parallelogram. So their area should be totally here A plus B times H. So this area. But original is the ladder shaped. It's only half. So we times 1 over 2. So we rewrite this formula 1 over 2 A plus B times H. So this is our formula about the ladder shape. So now you know every formula where they come from. Then you can remember that. But also you don't need to remember this. When you take test, you just write down this. You remember this photo is the formula is hard to remember, but picture is easy to remember. Just you remember this picture, then you remember how did you get it that the formula. So you don't need to remember this formula. Just remember this picture, so you can figure out the formula. Then you can solve your problem.